Maria needed that holiday overtime pay desperately. Her kids were counting on Christmas. But when she opened those donation boxes marked Hurricane Relief, her heart sank. Designer clothes, electronics, thousands of dollars worth of goods meant for disaster victims. Her boss was selling everything for profit. She could stay quiet, keep her job, feed her family. Instead, she started taking pictures. The FBI investigation led to federal charges. Her boss got 5 years. The Red Cross called 3 weeks later. They'd been watching the case. Double her old salary, full benefits. Sometimes doing right does pay.